Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. Today, I'm bringing you a video on this Mazda 3. I believe it is a 2020 new body style Mazda 3. We put a Blackvue DR590X two-channel dash camera, so that's front and rear. The DR590X is the entry-level 1080p dash camera from Blackvue. It's the new X series, so the entry level, and here's a shot of the rear camera. You can see where we run the rear cable. The rear cable runs down here through the tubing, and then it goes along the roof liner all the way up to the front. This Mazda's got a really nice maroon and black interior, and it goes to the front camera right there. That's the DR590X two-channel front camera. And a little known thing is that the Blackvue DR590X, the DR750X, the DR900X, they have built-in power management. So previously it was called Power Magic Pro, and it was external. That's what you would use for parking mode, so that it would shut off the camera at a certain voltage or after a certain amount of time. They have redesigned the cameras now and put the circuitry inside the cameras. But the DR590X does not come with the 3-wire hardwire cable, except for it does. So I want to show you something here. So with the DR590X, they include this cigarette lighter adapter cable. And what we have done is we've actually cut this. And the reason being is inside the cable, there are 3 wires. That makes this the same as the 3-wire hardwire cable that comes with the DR750X and the DR900X. So for those of you buying this camera, whether you buy it from Lockdown or whether you buy it from another online retailer or in-store retailer, you don't have to pay extra for the hardwire cable. It's actually built into the cigarette lighter cable. All you got to do is you got to cut the cigarette lighter end off, and that will expose the 3 wires inside of the sheathing. So this camera, we'll go through right now basically some of the features of the camera. Basically, I'm just going to read off the box, but essentially it's a 2-channel camera, 1080p in the front, 1080p in the rear. It's 30 frames per second in the front and rear. It's got the Sony Starvis CMOS sensor, built-in Wi-Fi. You don't get built-in GPS. You'd have to add that as an external accessory. It doesn't come with it. It's optional. It can handle up to 256 gigs of micro SD capacity. It comes with a 32 gig. And you can connect it to Blackvue over the cloud if you were to purchase the CM100 LTE external modem, or if you connected the camera via Wi-Fi to an internet hotspot. It's got Windows and Mac software, so you can watch this on both styles of computer. It's got iPhone and Android, so Apple and Google software for smartphone app, which you can wirelessly connect to the camera and watch the footage. And it's pretty much almost a flagship camera at the price of an entry-level camera. So it's a great choice if you're looking for a dash camera. Great choice for this vehicle, this Mazda 3. So if you or someone you know is interested in a dash camera, feel free to reach out to us, 1-866-824-4118. Sales at lockdownsecurity.ca. www.lockdownsecurity.ca is our website. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. And I'm just going to hop back out because I want to just show you what the camera looks like from the front of the vehicle. So there's the front camera there and the front windshield. And I'll just go to the back again and I will show you the rear camera. That concludes this video on this Mazda 3 Blackvue DR590X 2-channel dash camera. Thanks for watching.